You may already know that Tripsdrill is a beautiful regional theme park in Germany. Full of heritage and charm, this place has got everything for all of the family, from small kids rides up to big thrill coasters. But did you know that it's also got some pretty spectacular on-site accommodation and a wildlife park? My name's Matt, this is the Coaster Giant channel, and in today's short video we have a quick look around the treehouse accommodation and the wildlife park, situated just a minute or two's drive from the main theme park at Tripsdrill. First up, these tree houses are absolutely gorgeous, set in this lovely, quiet, relaxing woodland. They look absolutely stunning. So heading inside the tree house, you've got the toilet and then the main accommodation. It sleeps up to 4 people with a double bed, 2 single bunk beds, some workspace and a dining area with a TV. There's loads of cool little features like this little guy on the end of the bedpost. And then there's a fully kitted out bathroom as well, with toilet, wash basin and a watering can for the shower. This was one of my favourite theme park stays ever.
I wasn't even aware that Tripsdrill had a nature resort. It's got loads of animals, it's got the tree houses, and it's also got all of these huts around. So no main hotel, but all like outdoor living arrangements, and they're so cute. It's absolutely beautiful here. And you can see we're just surrounded by hills and trees. It's very relaxing. So this is all very natural. We just come past reception. You can buy some animal food. Oh my god, this conker's falling. This is dangerous. That was huge. It is it's not a muddy path, it is just stones. But it's all set amongst these trees, so there's loads of animals, and apparently there's bears. I did not know there was bears here, so excited to see them. Oh my god. I thought it was all going to be like animals in cages and stuff like this, but no, it's not. And they know what's about to happen. That food is not going to last long. Oh my god. Oh. Hey. In the middle of all these animals and the woods is this place. This is like the meeting point where you come for breakfast. Oh, I wish it was sunny. There's barbecue grills and stuff over there. This looks very cool. So we found where the bear lives. I don't think I've ever seen a bear in real life. I'm pretty sure I haven't. I could just see him in the middle window down there. I don't think he's going to want to come out in this weather. Oh, it's so cute. This should be interesting. The sheep just heard the food dispenser. There's a massive puddle at the bottom of them steps. And they've all gone running over. Oh, look at that little baby one. These are some of the huts. Got some more deer. And some donkeys over there as well. I love donkeys. Hi. Yeah, I was talking about you. What is that? It's huge. Whoa. So they do falconry shows here as well during the day. You've got all the seating up there. Look at that view. It is stunning. And then this is the area that they do the display on. All the bird enclosures are like set in the woods. They've got quite a lot of space. They can fly around. We've seen them flying. But yeah, completely surrounded by trees. So pretty natural for them.
Oh yeah, big ships. Oh.
Here he is.
I can't reach that far.
Offensive.
I would highly recommend staying on site at Tripsdrill. The accommodation is beautiful. It's not the cheapest park I've stayed at in Europe, but when you're dividing it by 3 people, it works out pretty reasonable. You don't have to be staying on site to visit the wildlife park. You can visit after the theme park's closed. We found that it was open for a couple of hours after the theme park closed when we visited. There's a small upcharge, but trust me, it is well worth it. Let me know what you think if you've stayed here or if you've visited the wildlife park. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.